In this video, I will show you how to insert signature line in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Text, and here the option Signature Line. You can select Microsoft Office Signature Line. Type here signer name, title, email address, then click on OK. So now you have this signature line. Another way, insert. Another way, select 2 by 2 cells, then insert and table. Now select it and in this table design, unselect header row, banded rows, insert underscore, in the second one, select your name. Now here in borders, select no border, click anyway. You can merge cells. So this is the second method. Third method, insert text box, draw your text box anyway, underscore, make enter, type your name. Adjust the size for this text box. And keep anyway. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.